Basahin mo lang ang Senate Journal, nandiyan ang verbatim. No offer mo of evidence. Every time you present a witness, you say, offer her for the purpose of this and that. And we will authenticate certain documents with her testimony. Nandyan yan, kopyahin mo lang sa Senate Journal. Ano problema mo? Have you never been in trial court? If so, can you please make way to somebody who has been in trial court before? That's not a big deal. Andyan na yan sa Senate Journal, kopyahin mo lang yan. And besides, you should have had a trial notebook. Kung saan nililista mo yon. Dahil alam mo na abot tayo sa puntong ito. Ngayon gusto nyo, mag-antay kami. Bakit is it going to tax your IQ so much that you need until Friday to make this? Dapat araw-araw yan, ginagawa yan ng secretary mo o ng clerk mo. It's all a question of just instructing her. Kopyahin mo ang Senate Journal, ano bang pinag-offer namin kanina? At para pag formal offer na, handa na tayo in trial court, you don't even wait.